The following training video is on how to add a new job or file to the Filer system. From the File main screen on the navigation menu on the left, we click Add New Job. This will bring up a new job or file. It will show on the job assignment screen. It's set for today's date. In this case, it's February 20, 2013. It will show the person logged on. First thing we do is we're going to attach an existing contact. If I type, once I've done 3 letters, it will type ahead and search for other names that match this. In this case, if the assignment is coming directly from this adjuster at the insurance company, I can put in the adjuster's claim number as well. If I'm going to invoice this adjuster using the system, I would click the default payer button. Clicking contact will add contact to the job. I can continue in adding existing contacts or new contacts. At this point, it's very careful to ensure that you're accurately recording your contacts. Some users, if you quickly throw in a name and add a number of other names that are similar, you can get the same person in twice or 3 times. I would be worried about David Jones and Davy Jones. Is he also known by that? Did somebody put those names in there? And the second time, you'd have to do some searching to ensure that these are not the same person. Seeing that this person, David, is associated with the company, it is likely that they are not a duplicate of this person down here. Again, all users should be trained properly to ensure that when they add a new contact to a job, that they add the correct person. In this case, if the other contact on the job is a David Jones, we can add by hitting simply add there. We then can scroll down. If that's all the contacts on the file, we can continue to move on the first screen. For the persons who are tracking their marketing, you could indicate perhaps this came by from a referral from the phone book. A number of contractors may want to also associate files to divisions within the company. It'd be very important that everybody chooses a job or a file type. In this case, we could say we're setting up a property file. The next cell, we can see when I opened up property that there were 3 dates that were set to date of loss, date started, and date completed. There's a calendar. If you click on the calendar icon, this will quickly bring up a calendar. You have the ability to navigate back a year if this is near the change of a year, or month. In this case, I will assume that the loss occurred on February 5th, and if we're going to start the job today, I can put February 20th. Again, the next field here, job overview, is just intended to give other users as well as the main user an idea of what this job is about. Perhaps this is a water leak from a dishwasher. Loss types, again, many of the users will be tracking the type of the loss. In this case, it's a water type 1. We can see in the next cells that there are a number of various information you can record about the actual type of the property. The deductible would be important in this case. We're aware that it's a $500 deductible. The job reference, I'd like to spend just a bit of time here. The system is set to assign a job number. You can change that to match your company's numbering protocols. However, the number works well with accounting, but we strongly recommend that you would also add a name to identify the insured. In this case, Davy Jones. This will allow users to reference either the job or file number as well as the name of the actual client. When we hit save, that completes opening the new file. If we look up at the top, I will quickly refresh the screen, and we will show how the the reference will show up on the name and the file number, allowing again easier access. On the top left, we see here how the name and job number is readily displayed. That completes the overview of opening and adding a new job to the Filer system.